I am Devashish. Welcome to my channel D-BIOLIFE. I hope you are all doing well and stay healthy. Okay, so let's start today's video. So today's video topic, that is kidney function regulation by what? ANF. Okay, so today I am trying to show the concept of kidney function regulation by ANF. Okay, so at first one question comes in our mind, that is, what is ANF stands for? Okay, so we can say that ANF stands for atrial natriuretic uretic factor. Okay, so ANF stands for atrial natriuretic factor, ANF. Okay, now second question comes in our mind, that is, what is the nature of the ANF? Okay, so if we consider the nature of ANF, so nature, that is what? Nature, this is a peptide hormone. Okay, so this is a peptide hormone. Okay, now question arises in our mind, that is, from where this type of hormone or this kind of ANF will be released. So from where, or what is the source, okay, of that particular type of hormone? So source of hormone, source of ANF. Okay, so source of ANF, that is what? That is atrial wall of what? Heart. Atrial wall of heart. So ANF stands for atrial natriuretic factor, and the nature of that particular type of substance, that is known as the peptide in nature, peptide hormone, and this kind of hormone release from the atrial wall of the heart. Okay, now question arises, that is, how this kind of hormone, which is known as ANF or atrial natriuretic factor, regulate the kidney function. So that is the obvious question. So now let us try to explain in detail. Okay, so at first, this ANF, atrial natriuretic factor, this ANF acts on JG cell. Okay, so what do you mean by the JG cell? So JG cell means juxtaglomerular cell. Now question arises, what is the location of the JG cell? So obviously I have already mentioned in JG cell, concept of juxtaglomerular part 2 video, I have already mentioned the function of the JG cell. If you will till today do not see my those particular video, so go through the video and you will make a strong concept about JG cell. Okay, so I have on the JG cell, I have separately made a playlist, so you will find out and see the video. Okay, so now JG cell. So JG cell means juxtaglomerular cell, and this particular type of cell present within the juxtaglomerular apparatus. Okay, so ANF acts on JG cell, and by the action of the ANF, renin secretion stop or inhibit renin release. Okay, so inhibition of renin from the JG cell. Okay, so renin will be stopped. So if renin stop, then what? Then the inhibition of what? Angiotensin. So if renin not present, then angiotensin not present, inhibition of the angiotensin. And if angiotensin absent or inhibit, then obviously stop, or we can say the decrease in aldosterone. Aldosterone also decreases. Aldosterone also decreases. Okay, so we can say that by the action of the ANF, total RAS system are AAS. Okay, so renin, angiotensin, aldosterone system will be stopped by the action of the ANF. So as a result, what is the fate? So fate, that is, as a result, the reabsorption of NaCl, sodium chloride, within the DCT part also inhibit. So inhibit reabsorption of the NaCl within DCT, means distal convoluted tubule, as well as collecting duct. Okay, as well as collecting duct. Okay, so this kind of hormone, in this way, these ANF regulate the kidney function. So from the beginning, ANF, this is known as the atrial natriuretic factor. So nature, this is peptide hormone, and this kind of hormone released from the atrial wall of heart. So at first, atrial natriuretic factor acts on the GG cell, and by the action of the ANF, renin release of renin will be inhibited. Okay, so if renin does not present, then angiotensin and aldosterone also inhibit or also decreases, or release of the angiotensin or the aldosterone will be stopped. So if these RAA system, renin, angiotensin, aldosterone system, if stopped, then reabsorption of the NaCl within the DCT and collecting duct also stop. So in this way, ANF plays a crucial role, okay, for regulating the kidney function. Okay, so that's it. If today's this video, if you satisfied, then like, comment, share, subscribe. See you on the next video. Goodbye.